Everyone compares Fabric and Databricks on price. That's the wrong comparison, and it's costing teams months of rework.
If you've searched Fabric versus Databricks, you've probably seen the exact same 3 points everywhere: pricing model, compute engine, and ecosystem. Now, those matter, but they're not why teams end up switching platforms 6 months into a project.
The governance divide. What happens after you pick one? See, the real difference is specifically how each platform handles governance once your data teams start to multiply.
Fabric and Databricks solve this in almost opposite ways. One centralizes it, while the other expects you to bring your own tooling. Get this wrong, and you're not just looking at a config change, you're looking at a complete re-architecture. Here's one really concrete example. In Fabric, one lake is a single logical data lake. Every workspace reads from and writes to it by default, which means governance is just baked in from day one. In Databricks, Unity Catalog gives you similar control, but you have to actively set it up and maintain it. It is not the default state. That one architectural choice fundamentally dictates how fast your data team can scale without stepping on each other.
The re-architecture costs, the security model migration. Here's what almost nobody talks about. The true cost of migrating between the two isn't in the compute. It's actually in re-platforming your entire security model.
Depending on which direction you're going, that can take your team 2 weeks or 2 whole quarters.
Which timeline will your team face? I've laid out the full comparison, pricing, performance, governance, and exactly when to choose which in a complete breakdown at ultimateinfoguide.com. Link is in the description if you want the whole picture before you commit to either platform.